Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to take another example, and so I drew a picture of it. So let me read what we're doing here, and then we'll jump right in. This is find the weight of the solid cast iron object, shown on the board. If cast iron weighs 0.26 pounds per cubic inch, 0.26 pounds per cubic inch. Per cubic inch. Okay, round to the nearest whole pound. Okay, so this is made out of solid cast iron. We know that the cast iron is has a weight of 2.26 pounds per cubic inch. Okay, so we want to find the total weight of this thing, but first we need to find the total volume of cast iron. So we've got a cone shape on top, cylinder in the middle, and a half sphere on the bottom. So we've got to calculate the volume for each one. So we'll call V1, V2, and V3. So V1 is what? It's 1/3 the area of the base, which is a circle. So the area of the circle is pi r squared times the height, right? That's V1. V2 is the cylinder, which is equal to the area of the base times the height, which in this case is pi r squared times h. And the volume of the sphere is given to us as 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, so those are the formulas that we're going to use for the sphere. Okay, now this here is the volume for a sphere, but in this case we only got half a sphere. So what we're going to do is take this and take half of it. Okay, or in other words, this is just going to become 6. Okay, so instead of 4/3, it's going to be 4/6 for a half sphere. Okay, so now the volume, the total volume is going to be V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, now all I have to do is just plug in the formula. So in this case here, the volume is going to be equal to 1/3 pi r squared h plus pi r squared h plus 4/6 pi r cubed. Okay? And so if we just want to simplify this a little bit, this is just going to be 4/3. If we add these together, we've got the same formula. So this is 4/3. If we combine it, we get 4/3 pi r squared h plus 4/6 pi r cubed. Oh, actually, no. No, we can't do that. I just realized they're different h's. We'll call this h1, right? And then we'll call this h2 because they have different heights, so can't do that. So we'll leave it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in my values. So I get 1/3 pi, the radius. Well, what's the radius? Well, the radius of the cone is the same as the radius of the cylinder, which is the same as the radius of the sphere. And the diameter of the sphere is 9 inches, so that means the radius is going to be 4.5 inches. And h1 is 8 inches. Okay, so this is going to be 4.5 squared times h2, which is 10, plus 4/6 pi times 4.5 cubed. So now, if we stick this all in our calculator and add them all together, we get 996.67026994. Okay, now, this is in cubic inches. Now, we want to get the weight of this thing in pounds. So, if this is in cubic inches, and this is pounds per cubic inch, then we multiply these, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the 996.6702.964 cubic inches times 0.26 pounds per cubic inch. So the inches cancel, we end up with pounds. And so we multiply this in our calculator, we get the following: 259 pounds. 259 pounds. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.